Hey guys, part 3, and where we left off last time we did the cooker move. We've done the house tour. Now it's on to this bedroom. I've already sanded it down. I couldn't really record anything because, as you can see by the carpet, which in hindsight should have covered, do have some sheets to cover as well. I'm an idiot. But I've sanded all the walls because if you saw in part 1 it had this weird shiny paint on that I didn't fancy painting over. So I've gone round, this being the worst area, gone round and sanded it all with some sanders. But now we've got all this dust. I'm going to use the RugMuncher. This is the RugMuncher4000. I'm just going to use this. It's only a little hand one, but I'm going to use this just to get the majority of it up, and then I'm going to use this bit larger one, which is in another room, to go over it again. Then it'll be ready for paint. Try and get this painted today. I'm also going to try a time lapse. This is either going to work or it's not. It's going to either go really great or really terrible. Also, I went through 1 billion sanding pads and probably still inhaled 2 kilograms of dust. That actually probably shows how thick it is. But anyway, yeah, so that's the mission today. I don't think I'm going to get time to paint this room as well, but this room is ready for paint. Doesn't need any sanding. I'm just going to put something on the floor, even though, oh, my tea. I forgot about my tea. I wondered where that had gone. Cheers. So yeah, that's where we're at. Mattress is still chilling out on the landing. Bits all over the place, but we've got a week or 2 to get this sorted. Also, don't tell Vinny, I rubbed his old mower. It's cut the grass, but it's too wet today. Anyway, this will either be the end of the video or the start of a time lapse. Cool, cheesy copyright music. This is copyright free because I just sang it right now. I definitely didn't plan this music whatsoever. Oh, there we have it. Carpet cleaned once over. Got the bulk of it up. Most people are going to be like, oh, but Gibbs, you're not meant to use that on dust like that. You're probably right, but I don't want to use my brand new Hoover, and I don't have a shitty Hoover to use. Some people in the last video asked me what carpet cleaning. No, they didn't. It's just what all vloggers do. It's a RugMuncher4000. Dirty water, clean water. I'm a bit worried the way more clean water is being used than is in the dirty water tank. Could mean something's blocked. Most likely something's blocked. But it did all right. It's pretty cool. There's a little spray nozzle there. Sprays a bit of water on. And it's got a motorized brush that wiggles back and forth in the middle. And it sucks up all the shit in this clogged up bit that I've clogged up full of dust. So, but it's all right. I took it apart because that's my brother's, and he'd blocked it up a little bit anyway. So I've already taken it apart and cleaned it out once. I could do it again. Anyway, that concludes the today's vlog. I think vlog. It's not a vlog, is it? It's a vlog. New to this vlog material. Normally I'm fragging noobs on Twitch. Yeah, I'm just going to go over now with the normal Hoover, I think. I might go over with the big boy sucker upper, which is in here. Maybe. Well, I say big boy. It's only a cheapo thing, but you know, you get around it pretty quick. That's my mum's though, so I didn't want to use that because she'll chop my head off if I use that and get it clogged full of dust. Yeah, so not going to time lapse the last bit because let's face it, there's only so much of me crawling around on my hands and knees for one day. Till next time, see you later.